In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account name in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, open Origin Financial on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings option and click on it. Inside the Settings menu, go to the Profile section, then select Accounts to view all of your connected accounts. Next, find the account that you want to rename. On the right side of that account, click on the three dots icon to open more options. From the drop-down menu, choose Manage Account. This will open the account settings where you can update account details. Now, look for the account name field and enter the new name you want to use. You can rename the account to make it easier to recognize, especially if you have multiple bank accounts, credit cards, or investment accounts connected to Origin Financial. After typing the new name, click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, the updated account name will appear throughout your dashboard and transactions list, helping you stay more organized while managing your finances. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.